Hey everyone, welcome back to another cake tutorial. Today I want to show you guys how I repair broken nails during gel treatments. Here I've already started to dehydrate my client's natural nail plate, and I'm using our Sani Spray for this. And I'm also going to clean underneath of the cuticle pockets using our cuticle sticks, also in combination of our Sani Spray, because you want all the dust to be gone. After cleaning up, I'm going to apply our extreme bump base. The base is mostly used during gel treatments because it's gonna give your clients the perfect adhesion, durability, and also it's gonna reinforce their natural nails. After that, we are going to apply our AcryGel, also known as polygel. These brushes I'm going to use from our Cool & Fairy collection, and the one I'm going to use most specifically is the AcryGel brush because we need that to repair our broken nails. As you can see, it also has a spatula tool on the other side. We are going to need nail forms, and I'm going to use these nail forms because what I like about them is that the middle part is translucent, so it's gonna cure the gel from above and underneath. As you can see, I've broken the piece in the middle to make the form a little bit more shorter, as my client doesn't have long nails. Then you are gonna fit it underneath of the nails, and I always open the middle parts for more space. Here I'm applying a small bead of the AcryGel polygel, and I'm spraying Sani Spray on my brush to apply the product. And as you can see, I start to spread the product and give it shape. We are gonna shape it in a square shape and try to do this as perfect as possible. What I like about this product is that you can play with it until you're satisfied. In comparison to acrylic nails, it really starts to dry up in the air, so you don't have a lot of time to play with it. After curing it, I'm cleaning it with Sani Spray, and then I'm going to reshape using a 100 by 100 grit nail file. If there might be something you still want to know, please don't hesitate to ask below in the comments, and I will respond as soon as possible. After filing, we are going to clean all the nails again using our Sani Spray and apply our product. After the product has been applied, I'm going to use our cuticle stick again to rub in the cuticle oils in the side walls underneath of the cuticles, and this is our finished result. I hope you guys liked it. Bye.